questions, well, yes, but I did not put the line because I didn't want to be sexist. Starting with, I'll introduce myself first. I come from India. Now, what all do I do here? I work with studying. Yes, that probably other candidates don't. So this is the first thing that distinguishes me from others. Then, I've won a couple of Model United Nations. I've attended Model United Nations conference held at Dubai. I won the first prize. Well, I believe that the president does not only have to be good at academics, but the president should be an all-rounder and should be able to manage everything properly. I've played football nationals back in India, and I have manifested organizational and time management skills among the other significant ones. Now I'll move to my manifesto. The first point being online sign-ups. I'm sure many of you don't like standing in the queues for ages, so this is the first thing I'll be proposing, online sign-ups. Not that this is going to be the only means, but if you want to buy the ticket physically, you can do that as well. More social gatherings and trips. I think we do need that because we've already got loads of reading, so it's a good time. It's a good way of knowing each other and how important it is for all of us to network. Then more guest lectures and stronger connection with the alumni. I'm sure there are many people who graduated from Bristol, but not all of them come here to give lectures. Also, there are many lawyers who graduated from Bristol and they work in many of the legal firms. So we can ask them to come here and tell us about their experience at Bristol and how they applied and everything. Then UBLC meetups. This is something new that I'm bringing. So in UBLC meetups, we all got Apple devices, but we can't be bothered to go and watch news or to go or read an article. So UBLC meetups every month we could meet and discuss about the current legal issues, because I believe we do need to know what's down there in our books, but we also need to know what's going on in the world and the country. Collaboration with ELSA. I'm sure most of you must not know about ELSA. ELSA is the European Law Students Association. It's the largest law students body in the entire Europe, and I will collaborate with that. Now you may think, how will I do it? I've already spoken to the head of law school and head of careers. I with Tricia and Alex was anyway going to open the society, which I will be working with after the elections. Now what does ELSA do? ELSA, alright, I'll tell you about that later. I make a document in which firm deadlines for all years will be mentioned. It's going to be easier for you to cope up with that. And I'll make a Facebook page on job vacancies. I'm sure many of you must be looking for jobs, and it's hard for you to keep track of what all vacancies are there and stuff. So I'll make a page on Facebook where you can keep a track of that. Now, I think I'm the right candidate for it because I think I have every skill that a president needs. Please vote for me, and thank you very much.